It's hard enough on YouTube to land a brand deal when you're a larger channel. So what about the 90% of us that have a small channel? How do we go about landing a brand deal? Well, sit back and find out because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim of the People's Bookkeeper, where we always hit the mark. Make your mark in business too, and share it on YouTube. Do that by subscribing now and turning on the bell notification. Now it seems that most brands only want to go for the channels with hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers already. And as a small channel, going to a large brand is difficult because you're not established yet. You haven't been around long enough to have amassed a large following to show that brand what the benefits are of sponsoring you. So to get a brand to sponsor you, you have to take the guesswork out of the equation for them. You have to show them exactly what they're going to get from sponsoring you. And this is going to allow them the benefit of seeing why it's great to make a deal with you. Now there are different ways that you can show them these benefits. You can do it through case studies, research and information, and you can present that to them in a neat, concise, and clear way in an email that you send to them. Emailing would be the best option early on because the chances of you getting an in-person meeting when you're a really small channel are extremely slim. However, if that initial email went well and they were interested, then it would be a good opportunity for you to meet with them at a later time. This will allow you to build a rapport with them in person and help build up your brand. And that could open doors along the way that could really benefit your channel and your community. You could ask them for a free product and offer to make a video about that product. This is a great way to start out. Don't just necessarily think of how can I make money. Free products are amazing because once you've made the video, you can either use the product yourself, or you can give it away as a prize in one of your videos, or you can sell it as well. This is a great way for you to get practice with sponsorship deals for when a really serious offer comes to you down the road when your channel's a lot bigger. Now make sure as well that whatever product you're offering or selling to your audience makes sense and fits with your brand and your channel. No one wants to see someone with a cooking channel promoting a perfume, or someone with a tutorial channel like mine promoting comic books. Whatever you want your audience to buy into has to make sense and be something that can benefit them as well. And once you've done this with several brands and started to build that rapport and that relationship with them, it makes it a lot easier to go back to them for much bigger deals down the road when your channel is a lot bigger. As they watch your channel grow over time, you've already established that link with them and you have a good foundation there to build upon. This is going to lead to you getting a lot better value and deals as you get bigger and bigger. Brand deals should be something that benefit your audience and your channel and your community as a whole. And you can definitely take a look at larger channels and what brands and sponsors they work with to give you an idea of what might work for your channel too. Now I'd love to hear what brand deals you've been able to manage so far, or if you haven't, is it something that's on your mind for down the road? Please share and leave your thoughts, comments, and feedback below. Now if you want to make your mark on YouTube, then check out these videos over here. They'll help you grow your channel. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Click my face and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.